3 years ago, I was struggling to close $2,000 Webflow projects. Last month, we signed a $27,000 deal. The difference? It wasn't my Webflow skills. It was these 5 mindset shifts that changed everything. Hi, I'm Parth Gaurav, founder of Digi Hotshot, a Webflow Premium Partner agency. But just 3 years ago, I was that freelancer stuck in the 2K project trap, wondering why I couldn't scale. What changed? Let me show you. This, what you see on the screen, was my portfolio in 2021. Basic projects, maximum 2K price tag, desperately chasing any client who would respond. Sounds familiar, right? I was doing everything wrong and I didn't even knew it. Then at that time, I lost a potential dream client. They said that's something that hit hard. Your work is great, but we need a partner, not just a website builder. That's when it clicked. I wasn't selling sites, I was selling myself short. But at that time, scaling felt impossible. I thought the market is too crowded, even though the Webflow market is pretty new and nobody will pay those premium prices, and I need more Webflow tutorials. Turns out, these were all excuses. Here's what actually worked. First mindset shift is master the art of selling, and these 5 key sales skills. So the first major shift was realizing that I needed to master sales, not just basic proposals, but 5 critical skills. First, strategic pricing, learning to price based on value, not like hours. Second, cold outreach, finding and approaching the right clients. Third, negotiation, handling objections and closing deals with confidence. Fourth, upselling, building natural upgrade paths for the clients. Fifth, value communication, showing clients the return on their investment. While each of these skills needs its own deep dive video, and don't worry, we'll cover them all in future videos, but mastering sales was just the beginning. The next shift was even more fundamental. Second mindset shift is stop seeing Webflow as just a tool. When I started asking about business goals instead of just design preferences, everything changed. We weren't talking about our animations anymore. We were discussing ROI. Third mindset shift, specialize ruthlessly, or you can call niching down. I turned down non-Webflow projects and I still do. And it might feel like scary, but yes. But this clarity attracted better clients who valued expertise over price. Fourth mindset, build systems for everything. I created repeatable systems for client onboarding and discovery, design process and feedback, Webflow development workflow, QA and testing procedures, weekly client communications, project handoff and training. All of them have a process that we have nailed down over time. And this isn't just organization. It's what lets us handle 2K plus projects with confidence. And clients see this and know they are in good hands. And fifth mindset shift, position as a partner, not just another vendor. When you combine all these shifts, sales skills, business focus, specialization and systems, you naturally step into the role of a strategic partner. This is where the real transformation happens. Here's how all these mindsets come together in practice. For example, with a B2B client getting 1,000 monthly visitors, 1% conversion rate, and let's say 10,000 average deal size, even a small improvement to 2% conversion means $120,000 additional revenue. Let's say we figure this out, then we map out exactly how we'll achieve this through strategic site architecture, conversion focused design, custom Webflow development, launch and optimization plan. This specific framework has helped us land our biggest project yet. Why? Because we positioned ourselves as partners who would solve business problems, not just another vendor who build websites. Now, our agency closes 20K plus projects monthly, but more importantly, we deliver results like these. You can see the testimonials that we have of our clients on our site. So, your Webflow skills aren't holding you back. I've seen freelancers with half my technical skills charge triple my rates. Why? They mastered selling themselves and their value. So ask yourself, are you building websites or are you building a business? Like this video if you're ready to scale beyond 2K projects, and hit subscribe for more practical strategies on growing your Webflow business. Drop a comment below with your biggest pricing challenge. I read and respond to everyone. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.